Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create your own YouTube channel on your mobile phone. So if you already have a YouTube app on your phone where you go to watch movies, it means you have a Gmail account. It means you have a Google account. So what you have to do now is to open your YouTube app, and then you click on the bottom left corner of your phone, which is your profile picture. And then once you're here, if you have not commented on people's videos before, it means you don't have a channel. It's going to show you the option create a channel. But if you have been commenting on people's videos, it means you already have a channel. So what you have to do is to click on view channel. That is if you already have a channel, or if you have been commenting on people's videos, you will see the option view channel. You click on it. So when it opens, you see the option, this pencil icon here. Tap on it. It will bring you to the page where you can be able to customize your channel. So here you can change the profile picture, and this is your YouTube banner. So tap on this picture icon. It takes you to your gallery where you can select a picture that you'd want to be displayed. Let's say I choose this picture and then I set it. You see, so here this one is your banner. You can choose a picture also from your gallery. And you save it. So this your banner here. The banner is a display picture, the one that people would see whenever they go to your channel. That is your display picture. Again, it will show in different aspect ratio depending on the device. If it is on phone, if the viewer is viewing it on phone, on the desktop or the TV, it will show in different aspect ratio. Okay, so here is your name. Tap on this icon here to change your name or to update it. And mind you, you can only change your name twice in 14 days. This is your handle. Your handle is visible on YouTube. That is what people see when they search for you on YouTube. And again, you can change your handle once every 14 days. This is your YouTube, your channel URL. You can send it to people, and when they click on it, it brings them to your YouTube channel. Here is your channel description. So whatever you write here is your channel description. This is what people see when they come to your channel. So you can type in what your channel is about. Is it animal channel? Is it funny channel? Is it whatever, inspirational channel? Whatever you feel, the type of video you produce, you can write the description here so that people know what you do from the first glance. So once all that is done, your YouTube channel is created and customized. You can always change your profile picture and your banner at all times. And this is it. It's ready. Your channel is ready, and then you can then go ahead and start uploading your video. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you want me to make a video on how to upload YouTube videos on your mobile app, leave your comments in the comment section below. And any other type of video you want me to do, let me know. I'll make a video on whatever you want me to, any tutorial that you're confused about, how to upload your videos, how to, change the details of your video, how to customize your channel and all that. Just let me know. So this is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video for more. See you in my next video. Bye.